designing a logo in 15 minutes. I know this is going to be stressful, but I feel like this is going to push me out of my comfort zone for sure. Before starting, I want to say this is not the proper way to design a brand identity. This is just for fun and practice. So how this is gonna work? I'm gonna set this timer, which has different time blocks. I bought it on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It's really useful. I use it all the time when I'm working. Once the timer starts, I cannot pause it. I'm also gonna leave a timer in this corner so you can also see it. Oh my god, I'm stressing out and I haven't even started. So without further ado, let's see what can I create in 15 minutes. Before starting the timer, I'm gonna see what brand are we going to design, what's the name, what's the industry. And for that, this is not sponsored, but I saw someone using it. It's called Goodbrief and is a design brief generator. You can choose the design type you want to go for, if it's a logo, a whole brand identity, packaging, whatever it is. You can also choose random, and then you can also choose the industry. I'm gonna go with a logo. I'm not gonna go for a whole brand identity. This is way too much. This is the first time I'm doing this challenge, so maybe next time I'm gonna start with a logo. And the industry, I'm not sure if I should go for something that matches more my style or choose random. Okay, so this is a challenge. This is all about getting out of my comfort zone. So if I'm going out of my comfort zone, I'm going all out. Let's choose random without even think about it. I'm feeling it. I'm getting nervous. Okay, let's generate it. Company name, Center Shovel. I don't know how to pronounce that. We are a company that makes and distributes action movies. Oh, that's cool. They stand out because they are high quality and available in your local shops. Our target audience is people on a budget. We want to convey a sense of elegance while at the same time being light. You must create a logo using the information given in this brief. They would prefer a pictorial mark that uses the color red. The logo will be embroidered, I don't know if I pronounce this word the right way, on uniforms, take into account the company's values and preferences, and make sure it will work for the planned use cases. Deadline 9 days, and I'm gonna do that in 15 minutes. Let's do this. Okay, so let me see. Action movie. Let's look for some inspiration. Okay, gonna copy that. What else do we got? Okay, usually all these movie companies, they don't have pictorial logos. It's not common, but okay, I've got 1 more minute. Okay, so I feel I have enough. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna look for shovel. A shovel photo. Okay, they want to go for a red color. first I'm gonna put this just right here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with the typography. I have no time to be looking for the perfect typography all over internet, so what I'm gonna do is to use the ones that I already have in here. So I'm gonna go with Adobe's. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, time flies, you guys. I'm gonna first write the name. It was Central. Like, was it like this? Shovel, yeah. No, Central, no, Center. Okay. Let's go. I want to go for a bold one. Yes, a bold one. I'm not sure if capital or I'm not sure. So in this case, it's not that important, the typography, because they want a pictorial logo. I know that. Oh my god, 10 minutes. Oh my god. Okay. Out of this, I'm in between this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay. I'm gonna go with this. Now, what I've got in mind is to create something with this and this. Let me see. Like, let me show you guys what I mean by that. Okay. Something like this, and I'm gonna... Okay. Oh my god, I've got 9 minutes. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Anyway, okay, let's do this. Come on, cooperate. Oh my god, what's wrong with Adobe? My god, stay. Why it's not working? Oh my god, I can't be dealing with this right now. Okay. Okay. And now I need this part right here. And what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see what let me see. This one is not the best one, isn't it? Okay, let's go with this. Oh my god, you guys. I am shaking. Oh my god, 7 minutes. Transform, reflect. Okay, why is that working? What is wrong with this? Okay, now. It is not. Oh my god. I'm losing so much time doing this, sorry. Okay, now I need to do the inside. Okay, gonna go with this. Oh my god. Delete that. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Gotta put it in this color right now. Okay. So, my plan, yeah, was to make something like this. Okay. And now, I would love, okay, I'm gonna expand. I'm gonna outline this, sorry, not expand it. Oh my god, 4 minutes. Oh, they don't have the, yes, they must have the R. Oh no. Ah, panic. I'm panicking. Always save a copy. Sorry. Always save a copy for this. Or, so are you kidding me? Okay. There is no stretched R. Please tell me it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish this. Okay, so gonna replace this one. Okay, because I feel like it ends with this kind of shape. Amazing. But I need an L as well. L, yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now it's, okay, it's been 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna delete the whole thing. Gonna put it a bit apart. Okay, I feel like the logo is done. Now I can't remember the color. What was it? The color reds. Okay. So let's see how this works in red. Which red, by the way? Something like this is really cool. Let me try. Okay. Maybe I can leave the name in. I'm not sure. Or this in black as well. Okay, it feels really cool actually. I'm not sure if leaving this in black or white. Okay, or maybe, I'm not sure. Ooh. It looks like a cup of wine, like this. But I like it. And I feel this would work all by itself. I'm not sure. Should I leave it like this? No, I feel like I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. Oh my god. I feel we are done. I'm just gonna do something else. Gonna learn the way to code this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but at least we've got something. This was really stressful. Okay, so I still have 30 seconds left. I'm not extremely happy with the result, but considering I did it in that amount of short time, I feel it's good. Let's go back into the briefing. Okay, they wanted a pictorial mark that uses color red. Okay, I feel we've done a pretty good job with this. So let me introduce you Center Shovel. Alright, so we made it till the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty stressful, but I had so much fun doing it. Who knows, we might do a second part. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Make sure to like this video, it will help me a lot, and subscribe if you're interested in different design content. You can also check this video right over here, and I see you next time. Bye!